ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Welcome to Samyada E-Classes, children. Myself, Tawfiq Kolur. I am Assistant Master in Government Urdu LPS, Hatti, Taluka, Sindhanur. Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Hope everyone are keeping fine. Children, you are enjoying at home? Okay. Today, before starting the lesson, you should be ready with your textbook, notebook, and as well as your pencil. Okay, children? Very good. I will ask you some questions, children. Please tell me what is the answers. These questions are dependent on the last two classes. This is the conclusion of our third class. Okay, children? Very good. Okay, tell me, children, how was the village? In the last class, we have studied about the house of mirrors. In the house of mirrors lesson, how was the village? Good. That is a small village. That is a small village. Which place did the dog decided to visit, children? Which place did the dog decided to visit children? Tell me. Good. That is house of mirrors. The dog decided to visit the house of mirrors. Okay. How did he look through the doorway? Tell me, children. How did the dog look through the doorway? Good. See here. With his ears lifted and wagging his tail. अपनी धूम मिलाता हुआ और अपने कानों को ऊपर करके खुशी खुशी पहला कुत्ता जो है वहां पर हाउस ऑफ मिरर्स को गया. Okay, children? Tell me the next question. How did another dog enter the house of mirrors? Tell me, children, another dog. How is the another dog enter to the house of mirrors? Tell me, children. See here. The dog, it is very horrified and this is not happy. Okay, it is unhappy. The first dog is very happy. Okay, children. Next one. Please tell me what was another dog see in the house of mirrors. Tell me, children. What was another dog see in the house of mirrors? What was see the house of mirrors in the house? What was see the underdog in the house of mirrors, children? Very good. The see that dog see there are 1,000 unhappy other dogs. Okay, children? Okay. Let's see. House of mirrors. This is the conclusion of our two parts. Let me see the house of mirrors lesson once again. Okay, children? Good. I will read it and you repeat after me, and as well as you can see the topic in your textbook or here. Okay, children? Long ago in a small faraway village, there was a place known as the House of Thousand Mirrors. A small happy little dog learned of this place and decided to visit the house. When he arrived, he bounced happily up the stairs to the doorway of the house. It looked through the doorway with his ears lifted high and his tail wagging as fast as it could. Okay, children, see here. To his great surprise, he found himself staring at 1,000 other happy little dogs with their tails wagging just as fast as his. He smiled a great smile, and he was answered with 1,000 great smile just as warm and friendly. As he left the house, he thought to himself, this is a wonderful place. I will come back and visit it too often. Okay. Are you hard, children? Let's see the meaning of this paragraph, children. Long ago in a small faraway village, there was a little dog and he decided to visit the house of mirror, thousand mirrors of house. Okay, children, house of 1,000 mirrors. And when he went the house, he was very happy and he wagging his tail and he lifted his ears. Okay, children, and he bounced happy up the stairs to the doorway of the house. It looked to the doorway with his ears lifted high and wagging fast it could. Okay, children, he is wagging his tail as fast as he could. यानी इतना खुश हुआ था वो कुत्ता जो अपने जैसे 1000 कुत्तों को देखकर कि वो खुशी से अपनी दुम को हिलाता रहा और अपने कानों को ऊपर करके अपनी तस्वीर को देखता रहा. अच्छा, चिल्ड्रन, it looked through the doorway with his ears lifted high. To his great surprise, the dog became very surprised because there are 1,000 other dogs and they are very happy. Okay, children, he found himself staring at 1,000 other happy little dogs with their tails wagging just as fast as his. See here, children, when first dog entered the house, he was very happy and wagging as fast as it could. When he saw the 1,000 mirrors in the house, there are also 1,000 dogs are there and they are also wagging their tails. They are also wagging their tails and they are also very happy. The dog becomes very surprised and he smiled a great smile. वो कुत्ता बहुत हंसा, बहुत स्माइल किया, बहुत खुश हुआ. He smiled a great smile and he was answered with 1,000 great smile just as warm and friendly. वो जो 1000 कुत्ते थे उनको देखकर बहुत खुश हुआ और अपने दोस्तों की तरह उनके साथ बर्ताव करने लगा. He was behavior like his friends. Okay, he can't know that the house of mirrors 1,000 dogs are. It is the shadow of himself. Okay, children, good. As he left the house, he thought to himself. When he left the house, when he has become to leave the house, he thought, this is a wonderful place, this is a very good place, I will come back and visit it often. मैं यहाँ पर अक्सर आता रहूंगा. एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेस है, बहुत अच्छी जगह है. यहाँ पर मेरे 1000 अलग अलग तरह के कुत्ते हैं, बहुत फ्रेंडली डॉग्स हैं. He was felt that here are 1,000 happy dogs and I have to come to visit again in this place. Okay, children. Next para. In the same village, another little dog who was not quite as happy as the first one. See here, children, in the same village, there are a little dog also and who was not quite as happy as the first one. वहां पर और एक कुत्ता था जो पहले कुत्ते की तरह खुश नहीं था. He was not happy as first one. Decided to visit the house. He is also decided to visit the house of mirrors, but he is not happy. He slowly climbed the stairs and hung his head low as he looked into the door. वो पहले ही खुश नहीं था और he has climbed the stairs and hung his head. अपनी गर्दन को ऐसे अंदर डाल के उसमें वहां पर thousands of mirrors के हाउस को देखने लगा. He was trying to see the house of 1,000 mirrors, but he is not happy. Okay, children, when he saw the 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs staring back at him, देखो, जब ये अपने पास 1000 कुत्तों को अपने सामने स्टेरिंग बोलते वो खुश नहीं था. They are not happy. The 1,000 unfriendly dogs are in front of him. He saw the 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs in the house of mirrors. Okay, children, what was he done after that? He growled at them and was horrified to see 1,000 little dogs growling back at him. See here, children, when he saw the unfriendly 1,000 dogs, he was become to growling back. वो गुस्से से उनको पुकारने लगा, गुस्से से उनको आवाज करने लगा, growled करने लगा. He was growling by anger to the thousands other dogs. But these 1,000 dogs is related to of him, but he can't know that these are my shadow. Okay, children, as he left, he thought to himself that is a horrible place and I will never go back there again. See here, children, when he see the 1,000 unfriendly dogs, looking dogs staring back to him, and he growled them, and he decided that he would never go back that house again. Okay, children, आपको कहानी क्या समझ में आई children ये सुनकर? हम जैसा रहते हैं दुनिया हमें वैसी दिखती है. However will you the words look like us? That's type. Okay, children, जैसा हम रहते हैं उसी तरह हमें दुनिया दिखती है. The first dog was gone to the house of mirrors. He is very happy and he saw thousands happy friendly dogs. But second, another little dog was visit the house, who was not quite as happy as the first one. When he saw 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs staring back at him, and the first dog decided to, I will visit it often. But the second dog decided to, he would never go back there again to that house. Okay, children? Next, come children, see here the new words. Arrived. Arrived means reached a place. Reached a place. Wagging. Wagging meaning moving from side to side. The dog has moving his tail by side to side. Next one is bounced. Moved quickly away from a surface after hitting it. The dog says, see here children, the dog is moving, bouncing, the ball is bouncing. That is meaning of bouncing. The first dog, when he was come to the mirror of house, he was very happy and he was wagging his tail and he was bouncing. He was bouncing by happily. Okay, children? Next one is surprise. Surprise means wonder. First dog, when see the 1,000 dogs in the house of mirrors, he was surprised, he was wondered. Often, many times, frequently, many times, bar. The first dog has decided to visit to often times or many times or frequently to the house of mirrors. Growled, G-R-O-O-L-E-D, growled, made a slow sound usually in anger. The second dog, when come to the house of mirrors, he growled to see the 1,000 unfriendly dogs. Okay, children? Often, many times we have seen it. Stare, S-T-A-R-E, look for a long time with eyes wide open. When the second dog come to the house of mirrors, he stared. The 1,000 dogs also stare at him because he was looking along with eyes wide openly. He was open his eyes and trying to see the house of mirrors dogs. But how is this dogs? There are the 1,000 dogs also like this type. This is called stare. Okay, children? Horrified. H-O-R-R-I-F-I-E-D. Horrified mean shocked very much. Okay, children? Shocked very much. When another dog visit to the house of mirrors, he shocked, he horrified when he saw the unfriendly 1,000 dogs. Okay, children? Quit. Completely at all. Completely at all. He is not quite happy. He is completely not happy. The another dog. Okay, children? stairs, a set of steps. The two dogs both are also climbed the steps, stairs, and see the house of thousand mirrors. Okay, children? Let's see the activity. Read the statements given and say yes or no. If no, then say the correct answer. Two have been done for you. Okay, children? See here. The village was small. Tell me, children, the village was small or big? Yes or no? Good. Yes, the village is very small. Second one is, the house was of 1,000 dogs. Tell me, children, the house was of 1,000 dogs or 1,000 mirrors? Good. No, it was of 1,000 mirrors. Next one, a little dog was happy. A little dog was happy or unhappy, children? Yes, it was happy. Next one, the little dog decided to visit the park. Tell me, children, the little dog wanted to visit the park? No, it was decided to visit the house of mirrors. Okay, children. Next one, the first day felt it was a wonderful place. The first day felt it was a wonderful place. Tell me, children. Yes, it was very wonderful. The second dog saw friendly dogs staring back at him. Tell me, children, the second dog saw friendly dogs staring back at him? Yes or no? No, it was saw unfriendly dogs staring back at him. Okay, children? See next activity. Complete the following paragraph, choosing the words from those given in brackets. See here, children, there are some words in the brackets. You have to choose them and fill in the blanks. Okay, children, please try it. We have already done in last class. One day a dog entered the dash of mirrors. He was happy there as he saw many happy dash into the same house. Entered another dog. He was not as dash as the other one. He saw many dogs. They started back at him. They were dash. Tell me, children, what is come here? One day a dog entered the house of mirrors. He was happy there. He saw many happy dogs into the same house. Entered the other dog. He was not as happy as the other one. He saw many dogs. They stared back at him. They were unfriendly. Okay, children? See here. See here. One day a dog entered the house of mirrors. He was happy there as he saw many happy dogs. Into the same house entered another dog. He was not as happy as the other one. He saw many dogs. They stared back at him. They were unfriendly. Okay, children? Next one. Match and write each question and with the correct answer. See here, children, there are some match of the following. How was the village? See here in the part B. How was the village? It was a small, faraway village. Which place did the dog decided to visit? The dog decided to visit the house of mirrors. Very good. How did he look through the doorway? He looked through the doorway with his ears lifted high and wagging tail. Very good. How did another dog enter the house of mirrors? How did another dog? What did another dog see in the house of mirrors? He saw 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs. Okay, children? See the answers. Okay, children? There are answers. How was the village? It was a small, faraway village. Which place did the dog decided to visit? The dog decided to visit the house of mirrors. How did he look through the doorway? With his ears lifted high and wagging tail. How did another dog enter the house of mirrors? He slowly climbed the stairs with his head hung low. What did another dog see in the house of mirrors? Tell me, children. He saw 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs. See here, see children? Yes. No. Write down homework, children. Dear children, practice all the activities related this topic at home and show it to your teacher. Dear children, practice all the activities related in this topic. We have already done fill in the blanks, match of the followings. Please practice all the activities at home. Okay, children, and show it to your teacher. Okay, children. Thank you. Myself, Tawfiq M. Kolur. I am assistant teacher in Government Urdu LPS Hatti, Taluka, Sindhanur. Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.
ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ